Hello, I'm in a 2013 Subaru Crosstrek, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your heated seats. So from here, right in the middle, you should see a high-low. So this would be the max heat for this seat, the low, and the off. Same with the passenger seat. That's it. And then obviously you can test it by sitting on it and see if your butt's getting warm or not. If this isn't working, maybe first check fuses. Make sure there's not a fuse burnt out. Otherwise, you might need to go through under the seat, make sure there's no loose connections. Maybe something came unplugged. Those would be the most likely. Otherwise, this is a leather, doesn't really affect it, but sometimes if you get a lot of moisture on the seats, it can burn out different sensors, like your airbag sensors or possibly things like this. But anyways, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.